Today we are making something simple, comforting, and very satisfying. Yes, we're making classic homemade rock buns. This is one of those recipes that never goes out of style. It's easy to make, uses simple ingredients, and gives you that soft, crumbly texture with a slightly crispy outside. And today I'm showing you how to make it without eggs, and trust me, it still comes out perfectly soft and delicious. So let's take it step by step and make this beautiful treat together. I started by pouring my milk into a clean bowl. Next, I added my vanilla extract to give the rock buns that sweet warm aroma that you will notice even while baking. Then I added a pinch of salt. Even though it's sweet recipe, the salt helps to balance the flavors and bring everything together. After that, I added my sugar. Now I begin to mix everything together slowly. Take your time here and stir properly so the sugar starts to dissolve into the milk. As you mix, you will notice the mixture becoming smooth and slightly creamy. This is exactly what we want. Once everything is nicely mixed, set it aside and move on to the dry ingredients. So in another bowl, I added my flour. I'm going to sift the flour very nicely until I get a very smooth flour that I'm looking for. You can also omit this process, but this is also important. Next, I added a little nutmeg. Nutmeg gives the rock buns that warm, slightly spicy flavor that makes the taste even more homemade and comforting. I also go in with some baking powder. Mix everything together very nicely. Make sure the baking powder and nutmeg are evenly distributed throughout the flour. This step is very important because it ensures every bite has that same balanced flavor. Now I added my butter or margarine. Make sure it's cold and then start to mix everything together very nicely. Don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. So I'm going to use my fingertips to gently rub the butter into the flour mixture. Alright, so as you continue mixing, you will see the texture changing. It will start to look like breadcrumbs, but since we didn't use too much butter, that's just fine. And so that's exactly the texture you are looking for. This is what gives the rock buns that soft, crumbly inside after baking. Alright, so now it's time to bring everything together. So I slowly poured the milk mixture into the flour mixture, little by little, while mixing with my hand. Don't pour everything at once. Add it gradually, just the way you see it on the screen right now, so you can control the texture. As you mix, the dough will begin to form. You will notice it's coming together into a soft, slightly firm mixture. The texture here is very important. The dough should be a little bit sticky and it should not be too dry. It should feel soft, hold together, and still have that rough look. I'll cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes for it to relax a little bit. And once that is going on, I'll begin to heat up my oil. And so you have to also heat it on medium heat, and also it's deep frying, so you will need enough oil. Now the dough is ready. It's time to shape them. Alright, so this is how we do shape it to get that rocky or rough texture that we always see on the street or whenever the street sellers are selling this. You just have to scoop it, or yes, just scoop it just the way you see it on your screens right now, and then drop it on a tray or a parchment paper. You can also scoop it and drop it directly into the oil, and that will be perfect. Just leave them rough and uneven. That's the beauty of rock buns. Those crack and rough edges are what give them their classic look. Alright, so if you are still with me and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up, then what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. Now it's time to fry. Using my hands, I scooped a small portion of the dough because the dough is slightly sticky. It may cling to your fingers. That's perfectly fine. Also make sure to drop it carefully into the oil. This gives it that natural round rock bun shape. Drop just a few at a time. Don't overcrowd the pan. Let them fry on medium heat, turning them gently from time to time so they cook evenly. So as they fry, you will see them puff up slightly and also turn a beautiful golden brown. At this point, the aroma at this stage, warm, sweet with a hint of nutmeg, is just amazing. Once they are evenly golden brown, remove them and place on paper towels to drain any excess oil.
Cooking with Efya, yeah, the power. Cooking with Efya, come and see. Cooking with Efya, delicious recipes.
Alright, so now our rock buns are turning into the perfect golden brown color that I'm looking for. So I'm going to remove it and also place on paper towels, as I said, to drain any excess oil, and also allow them to cool slightly before serving. That is very important. You can also repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. And there you have it, fried classic rock buns without eggs. It's soft, crumbly, slightly crispy outside and full of that warm homemade flavor with a touch of nutmeg. This is one of those simple recipes that always turn out perfect and brings comfort with every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to more delicious homemade recipes. So as I said, allow them to cool slightly before serving. So when it's warm, they are soft, fluffy and slightly moist inside. When they cool down, they become a bit firmer outside but still crumbly and delicious inside. As you can see, this looks so hard from outside, but it looks soft inside. Serve this with tea, coffee or milk. Simple homemade goodness. You can also enjoy it just like that and you're going to love it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. And until next time, keep cooking with love and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Delicious recipes.